Hello, welcome back with a new drawing. There's a simple drawing. The length is 110 mm, the height is 50 plus 35. There is a circular object on the top surface. There is a diameter of 46 and inside the hole is 16. There's a left side one slot available. There's the dimension are given, and on the top surface there is a one hole available. There is a diameter of 18 mm. So let's start it. First of all, we are going with the sketch. Select the plane and select the line command. Select the horizontal, the length of 50, and again choose the line command and the horizontal, the length is 110 mm, angle 0. Okay, now there is a width is 15, so we are going with the offset curve. Select the line and distance is 15 mm. Apply. Again we are going with the offset curve. Now there's a distance is 20. Apply. Okay, now we are going with the line command. Join the 2 point, the both side, and now going with the trim command and cut the unwanted line. So there is a one front side, the sketch is ready. So now we are going to extrude, and the width is 35 mm. Okay, now there's a left side one slot available rectangle. So there's a height is 20. So first of all sketch the plane. Okay, select the line command, now we are going with offset curve. There's a 20 mm from the bottom side. Again with the reference line like front back one side, and again the offset of 15 mm. The both side I think a 50. So another side also the 15 mm line. Select the offset curve. Okay, and trim the unwanted line like the outer side of rectangle. You know that we have to delete the relationship between the offset, the two lines. So we are going to clear the relationship between the two lines. So now trim the unwanted line. Now our rectangle is ready for subtract from the left side of the bottom part. So now extrude command. The value is anything you want because we have to subtract. Select the body and you can see the result. Hide the unwanted line. Now you can see the circular object on the top side, and the distance is 80 from the edge of the left side. So select the plane. Okay, first we are going to line command for reference line. So create the line. Now the offset command, the distance is 80. Okay, now create the circle. You can see the diameter is 46. Now cut the unwanted line. Now again we have to clear the relationship between the offset curve. Now clear the unwanted line inside and outside of the circle. Now sketch are ready for extrude. The distance is 35, height 35, none, and okay, our circular object is done. And inside another circle, select the plane on the top side, create the circle of diameter of 16. Diameter of 16 mm. Now we have to extrude the 35 mm hole. The cut hole only on the circular object. So we have to edit the rollback, and again we have to select the body of circular part. And okay, you can see the result on the hole on the circular part, not on the through side. So now there's a hole on the top side, so select the plane. Okay, create the reference line on the left side and the offset. The distance is 35, and create the circle of diameter of 18 mm. Now clear the relationship between the offset. Now clear the unwanted line with a trim command. Now choose the extrude command. Select the body and subtract and hide the sketch line. You can see our 3D model is ready. There's a very simple method to create the 3D model. Thank you for guys watching. Share, subscribe and like.